Hey, today we're gonna make one of my favorites for Taco Tuesday. We're gonna make a cheesy taco bake. Okay, we have a pound of ground beef that's already been cooked and crumbled. To that, we're gonna add 1 pack of taco seasoning mix. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of water. And we're gonna add 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, all the broth that's in the can, or liquid in the can. Okay. And we're gonna cook this until some of the water cooks out. Okay, next we're gonna take 2 blocks of 8 ounces of cream cheese. You could actually use the low-fat version if you wanted to have cream cheese to cut out some of the calories. We're gonna put 8 ounces of salsa. You could do hot, mild, whatever your family prefers. And we're gonna mix these together. Okay, we need to take 1/2 cup of our cream cheese and salsa mixture. Okay, we're gonna put it in the pot. And we're gonna add a 14-ounce can of refried beans. And we just want this to heat on the stove. Okay, we're gonna grease a 9 by 13 cooking pan. Okay. We're gonna take 1/3 cup of our meat mixture. Sort of spread out on the bottom. This is just so your tortilla chips do not scorch on the bottom. Okay. So we're using small flour tortillas. If you're using large, you'd only use 2. But we're gonna put 4 down on this one. And when we lay them the other way, we'll cover everything up. Okay, we're gonna take 1/2 of the bean mixture. Spread it across. We're going to take 1/2 of the salsa mixture. Spread it across. I'm going to take 1/2 of the beef mixture. Okay. And then I've got 2 cups of cheddar cheese and 2 cups of Mexican cheese. So we're going to take 1/2. Okay, we'll start building our layers again. I actually have 2 odd ones. I'll go ahead and use them. Okay. All right. Start with our bean mixture again. Rest of our cream cheese and salsa mixture. Okay, rest of our beef mixture. cheese on top. Okay, we're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes until it's bubbly and sort of brown. All right, it's out of the oven and ready to serve. Just put a green salad with it and you've got a complete meal.